Armand de Mestral. I'm Emeritus Professor of Law at McGill University, where I also have a Jean Monnet chair. My interest in European Union law started when Dominic Lasark visited McGill in 1976, and I basically took over teaching his courses in went after a year sabbatical at Aix-en-Provence. I came to EU law both from the perspective of constitutional law, comparative federalism, and international trade law. And I've taught both constitutional law and international trade law most of my career at McGill. I found that EU law is very much in between, has both constitutional issues and federalism issues, but equally free movement of goods and services, persons and capital are very important elements. And that's led me to be interested and do a lot of research in recent years in regional trade agreements. I have a database on regional trade agreements. I teach at the Central European University in Budapest, and I've done several research projects on regional trade agreements. Lately, I've taken that to international investment agreements and their link with regional trade. And I have, in the last couple of years, written quite a bit about the extended jurisdiction of the European Union in the field of foreign investment matters, where now the Common Commercial Policy has been extended to include foreign direct investment, and that seems to be causing a lot of questions and a lot of uncertainty, both in relations with third states, but equally as to the extent of the competence of the EU within the internal market, and the impact on the many bilateral treaties of investment protection between EU countries. So those are the areas where I've done most research and work in the last few years in respect to the EU.